Most people hear premium travel credit card and immediately assume it is either a luxury cheat code or an expensive trap. But the truth is more specific than that. And if you misunderstand it, you could either miss huge hotel perks or waste hundreds of dollars a year. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Hilton Honors Aspire card can be one of the most powerful hotel credit cards in 2026, but only if you actually use its benefits the way Hilton designed them. In this video, you'll learn exactly how this card works, what benefits are truly valuable, where people lose money, and whether it is worth keeping or skipping this year. By the end, you'll know if this card fits your travel lifestyle, or if it should stay off your wallet. Let's start with the basics in a simple way. The Hilton Honors Aspire card is a premium hotel credit card designed for people who stay at Hilton properties like Hilton Hotels, Waldorf Astoria, and Conrad. Every time you use the card, you earn Hilton Honors points, which can be redeemed for free nights. But here's where most beginners get confused. The real value is not just points. It is the combination of elite status, free night rewards, and travel credits. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest benefits is automatic top-tier Hilton Diamond status. This is the highest status level in Hilton's program. It can include free breakfast at many properties, room upgrades, late checkout, and bonus points on stays. For someone like Alex traveling to a busy city hotel, this alone can save a significant amount of money over multiple trips. But here's the problem. Many users never fully use the status benefits. They treat it like a normal card, and ignore perks like upgrades or breakfast credits, which is where a lot of the hidden value sits. Now let's talk about the most important feature, the free night reward. Each year you renew the card, you often receive a free night certificate that can be used at many high-end Hilton properties. This is where the card becomes extremely valuable. Imagine someone like John booking a stay at a resort that normally costs $300 to $600 per night. That single certificate can often outweigh the annual fee of the card multiple times over. But here's the catch. Not every hotel qualifies, and availability can be limited during peak travel times. So if you do not plan ahead, you can lose a lot of value. Now let's talk about statement credits. The Aspire card often includes travel credits and resort credits that can offset the annual fee. These credits are powerful, but only if you actually use them. Many people forget about them completely, and that is where the card quietly becomes less valuable than it should be. Now, let's step back and look at the welcome bonus. In 2026, new cardholders can often earn a large bonus after meeting a spending requirement. If used correctly, this can translate into several free hotel nights. But if you miss the requirement window, you lose the biggest early advantage of the card. So, is it worth it? Yes, but only for the right user. If you travel at least a few times per year, stay at Hilton properties, and use credits and free night rewards intentionally, this card can easily justify its annual fee, and sometimes deliver far more value than expected. But if you rarely stay in hotels or do not want to track credits and rewards, then the benefits will feel underused and the card may not be worth keeping. To summarize, the Hilton Honors Aspire card is not a casual credit card. It is a high-value travel tool that rewards planning, strategy, and consistent hotel use. Used correctly, it can unlock luxury stays at a fraction of the price. If this breakdown helped you understand the real value of the card, like the video, leave a comment with your travel plans, and subscribe for more simple, honest credit card reviews that help you make smarter financial decisions.